Hello. More and more, we see creators using AI art images for storytelling, including for AI video production. As such, we really need to frame up and get our shots correct, without a lot of trouble, and without the endless regenerations. I have 20 important camera angles that can be used in major AI art programs to get the shot right, often the first time, and thus improve your art creation productivity. A link to all the AI art prompts and specific camera angle descriptions for this video is found in the description area. Use these prompts with any leading AI art generator, such as Midjourney, Leonardo.AI, and DALL-E. I hope you enjoy viewing these examples, and consider which of these camera angles might work best for your fantastic art creations. Let's go! The Selfie Shot camera angle. Selfies are the most common camera angle used in the world today, and are the most common type of photos posted on social media. The camera angle is typically a little higher than the subject's eye level, and is positioned to the left or right of image center. Eye-level view. The eye-level camera angle creates a natural perspective, mirroring the way humans typically see the world. It is ideal for portraits and street scenes. For human subjects, this view may provide more of an emotional vibe with that subject. Side, or profile view. The side view camera angle captures the profile of subjects, including people, animals, and other objects, providing a clear and detailed view. It is also used for capturing the mood and emotions of humans. Rear, or from behind view. The rear view angle is often used for storytelling purposes, but is less commonly used than frontal views. It helps emphasize the context of what the subject is seeing and feeling. Worm's eye view. A worm's eye view camera angle offers a unique and dramatic perspective by looking up from a point much lower than the subject, such as ground level. It helps objects and action seem larger than life, and it is great for sporting scenes. Close-up view. Close-up is common in all forms of visual media to focus on subject details, on human emotions, or to single out objects in a scene. Wide shot. The wide shot is used in film and photography to establish a broader context for a scene. Good subjects for wide shots include crowds, large interior areas, and action sequences. Extreme wide shot. The extreme wide shot is used for grand, sweeping shots of outdoor locations. Sporting event locations and city skylines are two sample candidates for extreme wide shots. Panoramic view. The panoramic view is primarily for landscape vistas and the widest scenes. It is not a primary shot for standard filming, yet it is used in some documentaries. Over-the-shoulder angle. The over-the-shoulder angle is used in film and television for capturing conversations, storytelling, and filming performers. It can help set the context for how someone in the scene views the story. Point of view shot. The point of view shot is commonly used in films to show a scene focused on the character's visual perspective at a specific or key moment in the story. Low-angle shot. The low-angle shot is used to convey a subject's power or dominance, or to make everyday objects appear larger than in real life. High angle. High-angle shots can provide a sense of overall scale and context, and can often set a narrative element for the subject of a scene. Two-shot view. The two-shot view is used in film and television to highlight two characters within a frame, emphasizing emotion or narrative. This can include two competitors or two athletes. Three-quarter view. The three-quarter view is common in single-subject photography, and it more tightly frames and positions the subject. The view places the subject at an angle and tilts the subject in a manner to highlight the realism and three dimensions of the subject. Dutch angle or tilt view. In the Dutch angle or tilt view, the camera appears rotated along the z-axis, such that the left or right side of the frame appears higher or lower than the horizontal center. This creates a small visual sense of unease, disorientation, or dynamic tension in the scene. Bird's eye view. The bird's eye view is less commonly used than the others presented, and is primarily used for dramatic overhead shots. Such shots cover a photographic width somewhere in between the extreme wide shot and the panoramic shot. Overhead view. The overhead view is like a bird's eye view, except that it is often used to be closer to the subject than a bird's eye view. This view is frequently used for scenes where the primary interest is directly below the camera. Fish-eye view. The fish-eye view creates a spherical or distorted image that adds a unique and dynamic perspective. Try it for sports, or for shots of public spaces. Zoomed-in detail view. The zoomed-in detail view is like the close-up view, yet even closer to the subject for exposing small details. Example subjects are flowers, insects, jewelry, and mechanical parts. Thanks for reviewing these AI art camera styles with me. Give me a like to help the channel. Also, thank you for your support and continued interest. See you soon. Bye-bye.